up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all finna get a little mini vlog. Y'all gonna get today and tomorrow. So y'all gonna get a weekend in my life. And we just gonna go ahead and start that one right now because we on our way swimming. Right? Yes. Swimming. And you got our swimming suit on. Period. Oh, I still got my body on. I ain't wearing this, but we finna go. My mama do my lady hair. Okay, they ain't asked all that. But we're gonna see y'all on our way because we got a little minute. We got like 45-minute ride. So when we get there, we're gonna start this back. Bye.
Thank you. Have a good day.
12 outside. Look at that. 12 outside. We in Target. Getting us some stuff. So we Target, y'all. It's 12 outside. Put up the drink that I found on TikTok that is A1 delicious that everybody will probably like it. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Thank you.
You want a straw?
No, thank you. You too. This is heaven. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta go get it. It's even. You too. This mud bussin'. Where they park? We here. Yes, sir. Yeah. Excuse me. We finna go swim. We finna go swim. We finna go. I'm glad they got the roof closed. Mama, we left everything. I packed our clothes last night. You had me looking for your clothes. So don't do me.
I'm talking about her.
You had me. See, I could have packed it, but you had me in there looking for your clothes. Yeah, I don't want to hear the excuses. The excuses.
You got some.
It was grandmother.
Don't blame it on me.
Oh, they gonna copyright me. See y'all later.
Alright, we're ready.
Okay, what time get through the door? They got music in here. On the picture? Oh, this all the water? What's over here?
The stuff for you to buy.
Why they gonna make that bigger than the pool? And it's supposed to be an indoor water park. So what a lazy river? I don't see no lazy river. Oh yeah, they made it seem real big. They waving, I'm doing this. I ain't even vlogging, it wasn't even going. All right, come on. We going outside. I just came in here, washed my hands and stuff and used to, yeah. That's dangerous in there. Where the outside is?
The baby didn't want to go down and slide right here.
The baby slide?
You see it whip around? You gotta get up on it.
This the kiddie section. That look like the one at Hurricane Hawaiian.
You gotta get up on it.
Did it all, check out my leg, check out my wrist.
Because they do a whole whip around and they go straight.
Oh, this the
Lady one. They go all the way around.
I'm glad y'all can't hear the music in here. I ain't getting copyrighted. I swear.
Look, I want to go down that way.
They be lit. Oh yeah, this is what I want to do. I'm going down. Why they got a big circle in the middle? Look at that big old pile in the middle. Huh? Oh, they got the one that go up and then like they curve. Oh, it's empty out here. Yes, sir. What you mean? I'm holding it. Like it's cold. Oh, Lord. Oh! Woo! Woo! This is freezing. It's cold. I don't know how y'all doing it. Personally, it kind of get better. Like, it kind of, yeah. I got that on camera. These waves strong. Ooh. Yes, I'm trying to go to the end back there. Not me. Look at the top. Hey, Demir. Ooh. Mama finna get out. Oh. Yeah, once you get in, it's not that cold no more.
Yeah, she said it was good. This is nice. It's not too hot, it's not too cold.
The sun peeking out now, though.
Yeah, now you want this cold.
Yeah. I swear. Come here. Come here. They do got lockers. Remember I was broke. Right here. I'm doing her hair.
It's a bird, it's a plane, huh? It's a carrot. What's a carrot? It's a vegetable that's orange and
What's the yellow?
what a treat.